During projects, we can experience higher than usual workloads, especially when deadlines are looming. This is a time when working smart pays off, giving efficiency gains and streamlining your workflow. Thankfully, SOLIDWORKS visualizes a whole arsenal of productivity tools, sure you can make your demanding deadlines and never compromise with the quality of your outputs. Visualize comes as 3 different variants. We will almost be exclusively focusing upon both Visualize Professional and Visualize Connected in this video. These 2 options include many extra features when dealing with volume and even assist with traditional post-processing workflows. Configurations with CAD allow different variants of a model to be created, suitable for the same but different models. All these different configurations can be imported directly into Visualize and accessed in the model sets, swapping and independently changing each one as needed. Model sets can do more than just handle SOLIDWORKS configurations. These can be used to create different collections of models to represent products differently in entirely different setups. In this case, we'll see a drone being displayed as either a singular item or as a whole product range. Confusingly named, we can also control different styles and colour keyways of design within the configurations dialog box. These act more like display states in SOLIDWORKS terminology, easily editable and support all the output tools options, we output all the different variants of the design quickly. Speaking of outputs, when time is crucial, we do not want to wait for render to finish before you start the next one. We can minimise your downtime whilst maximising your render time by using the render queue. We can keep creating new images, cameras and other variants of design, adding each one to the queue. At a convenient time, whether it's lunchtime or overnight, simply start the render queue and each job be completed in turn, available within the output viewer. During the pandemic, our work habits have changed, with an increase in working from home and hybrid work schedules. This favours more portable laptops over desktops, potentially sacrificing graphics power. In these situations, we can use Visualize Boost to offload renders onto a network machine or multiple computers set up as a render cluster. This option is only available in Visualize Professional, allowing you to offload either your final render or your viewport to a more powerful machine. Some renders will require additional post-processing as part of their workflows, with Adobe Photoshop or other software. Both Visualize Connected and Visualize Professional have advanced tools to aid and simplify this process. Many of the simpler post-processing options are performed directly within Visualize. Obvious tweaks to light and darken, adjust for saturation, exposure, and even gamma can be altered within camera filters, eliminating the need to adjust these an extra step in the workflow. For more advanced post-processing than available in Visualize, you can save your files directly into a Photoshop file format, separating the different layers to be tweaked independently. There's even a cloud layer export, ideal to help with easy selection with Magic Wand tool. There we have the main productivity gains with Visualize. Work smarter, claim back your time, and never compromise between the quality and deadlines. Want to find out more about SOLIDWORKS Visualize? Get in contact with us at Solid Solutions. Thank you for watching.